Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to determine the gate resistance of the MOSFET for your given application. How you gonna calculate the gate resistance RG of your MOSFET. So let us say you want to design some circuitry based on the MOSFET and how you are going to calculate the gate resistance of the MOSFET. Okay, so let us say you have got some application. Okay, this is simple MOSFET based circuitry. This is VDD, load resistance, and the MOSFET M1. And if you look at the gate drive of the MOSFET, it is having the VG voltage, gate voltage, and I have connected here one gate resistance RG. So let us say your VG is 15 volt, your MOSFET you are using is IRF 740, and your T on time is 1 microsecond. Okay, what is your T on time? T on time is 1 microsecond. That means your MOSFET to be on within 1 microsecond. So your T on time is 1 microsecond, and you want to calculate the RG value. And in order to calculate the RG value, you have to calculate the IG value. IG stands for the gate current flowing. Okay, so you have to calculate first IG, then you have to calculate the RG value. Okay, and if you know that we have seen here the MOSFET having internal capacitance, that is called CGS, and this capacitor stores some energy which is called QGS. Okay, this we know that. And if you want to calculate the gate current, first gate current I named is IG. So there is a direct formula to calculate the gate current, which is given by 2QGS, which is given by 2QGS. That means gate to source charge 2QGS divided by T on. Okay, and since you know that you don't have the information of gate to source charge, you can go and see in the data sheet of IRF 740. So let us go and see in the data sheet of IRF 740, and if you look at the data sheet here, it says that the QG max in nanocoulomb is 63 nanocoulomb. So what I'm gonna write here is, let us write here QGS equals to 633 nanocoulomb. Okay, so you can also write this 63 into 10 to the power 9 coulomb. Okay, now you can directly put this value there. Okay, so let's write equation. IG equals to 2 times of 63 into 10 to the power minus 9 divide by 1 microsecond, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, and you can calculate this value. How you gonna calculate is like this. So 10 to the power minus 9 and minus 6. Okay, so it is going to be 10 to the power minus 3, and 63 to IG equals to, then IG equals to 126, and this stands in milliampere. Okay, so what is your IG value now? You got your IG value is 126 milliampere. Okay, in order to charge the gate capacitance of IRF 740, you need to have the gate current of 126 milliampere. Okay, so that is how you got the gate current. Now your end goal is to calculate the gate resistance. Okay, in order to calculate the gate resistance, what you can do, you can apply the KVL on this loop, the gate side of loop. So let me apply the KVL on the gate loop, and you can apply the KVL which is given by what? So this KVL is, you can write here VG minus IG times of RG equals to 0. Okay. Okay, so now you can calculate the RG value. RG equals to VG divided by IG, and your VG is 15 volt, and your IG is 126 milliampere, and you can get the RG value. So if you do the calculator here, 15 volt, let me try to do here. So 15 volt divide by how much? 126 milliampere. Okay, 126 milliampere, let us see. And if you multiply the milliampere in 1000, it is going to give you 119. Okay, 119, you can write here 119 ohm. Okay, so that is how you will calculate your gate resistance. So let me explain you once again so that you can better understand. So you have got this kind of circuitry, okay, simple, and you want to calculate the gate resistance RG. You have given the gate voltage VG, you have also given the turn on time of the MOSFET, T on time of the MOSFET, that is 1 microsecond. VG is 15 volt, and the MOSFET you are using is IRF 740. Okay, IRF 740. And now you have to calculate the RG value, and in order to calculate the gate resistance, you need to know the gate current IG. And how you gonna calculate the gate current? You can apply this formula for gate current. IG equals to 2QGS divided by T on. Okay, and then you don't know the value of gate to source charge. In order to know the value of gate to source charge, you have to go on the MOSFET datasheet, IRF 740 datasheet, and if you look at here, the QG maximum is 63 nanocoulomb. So I took the same value, and QG, now QG, not QGS, QG is 63 coulomb, and then 63 into 10 to the power 9 coulomb, and you can put this value in the formula. So Iz equals to 2 times of 63 coulomb, 63 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 1 microsecond T on time, and if you cut this and calculate, you will get your Iz, which is 126 milliampere. Okay, now your next thing is to calculate the RG value, and in order to calculate the RG value, you have to apply the KVL on the gate loop of the MOSFET. So VG is the gate voltage minus Iz times of RG, gate resistance equals to 0, and with this equation you can calculate the RG value. RG equals to VG divided by Iz, and now you know your VG value, you know your Iz value. 15 volt divided by 126 milliampere, and this is going to give you 119 ohm. Okay, so 119 ohm. So hope guys you have understood how you're gonna calculate the gate resistance value for your given application, for your given design, what circuit you are designing. Okay, and if you have any further question on this, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.